Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we're going to compare these two air purifiers for smaller to medium-sized rooms. We have the Membrane Solutions MSA3 on the right here, and we have the Winix A231 tower on the left here. And I'm gonna use a sound meter here just to show you how loud they are on low, medium, and high. So with nothing on, it's about 30 decibels. So let's turn this thing on at the lowest setting just to give you an idea. It's about 54 decibels. So this is the medium setting. It's 62 decibels. The highest setting, 73 decibels. It's about 48 decibels. Let's go to level 2. Puts it at about 54 decibels. Let's go to high. About 64, 65 decibels. Alright, to compare some quick differences between the two, the Winix here on the left has a True HEPA 4-stage filter. The MSA3 has a 3-stage HEPA filter. And obviously, as you can see, there's a huge size difference here. The Winix is a lot smaller at 14.6 inches in height and 9.5 inches in width and diameter. As for the MSA3 on the right, it is 21.4 inches in height, 13.1 inches in width, and 7.6 inches in depth. And it weighs significantly more too. It weighs in at 13.6 pounds versus the Winix weighs in at 9 pounds. Now, the size room that it cleans is significantly different, but it's also a little bit hard to gauge because the Winix is rated at 230 square feet, but it does not specify how long it takes to clear 230 square feet. Now the MSA3 is rated at 420 square feet, but it takes 30 minutes to clean the air. So that is an idea for you of what it can do. Now if you look at both of them, obviously the design is very different. You have a cylinder design with the Winix versus a more boxy square look on the right with the Membrane Solution MSA3. So depending on what aesthetic you like, you can pick one or the other. Both I've had for several years, and they've done well at cleaning the air. Whenever I replace the filter or clean the filters, a lot of dust and dander and things are stuck in the filter, so I know it's doing its job. And I hope this has helped you make your decision a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.